Hi guys. Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing roadside shawarma kiosk with my sister. Say hi. Okay, do you know anything about this game?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Don't mind how laggy I am. My Wi-Fi is betraying me right now.
I can tell.
Stop!
That's the endless mode. Don't go there.
Endless mode? Okay.
Don't go there. Basically, you just.
Wow, you fart. Amazing. Congratulations, you've been hired. Welcome to your first night shift of Shawarma 24.
My ears hurt. Your voice pains my ears.
Okay, bruh.
So basically, you just have to like see if you're serving an anomaly or not. You can check through the CCTV if it's an anomaly. Oh really? Yeah.
If in real life they're there.
You look so ugly!
Oh, they updated it.
You look so ugly, bruh.
You look uglier.
What?
For example, in the game, in real life they're there, but once you check in the CCTV, they're not there.
That's an anomaly?
Yeah, it's an anomaly. It's not a... Get in!
Shut up!
Also, by the way, the meat will randomly start moving.
That sounds so wrong for some reason.
The meat is gonna move.
That sounds so wrong.
The meat is gonna move. The meat is gonna move.
That sounds so
My
wrong.
meat is moving. Alright, so yeah, check the paper.
Okay, papel.
Oh my god, I can't read it.
Yeah, because your fat is like blocking your own way. That's how
I literally can't read it. It's so pixelated.
That's how fat you are. Wait, I can smile. I can read it. Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow these rules. If a smiling.
Okay, anyways. Oh, open. Oh, there. Now you can read it.
Okay, there. Now you can read it.
Click on it.
I don't want it. Further into him.
You're gonna be down with the circle head. Serve him, but don't look at him. If you're a smiling customer, come to just give a soda.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, hi, bro.
Make it fast. No grill, no onions.
So before you serve, you have to go
Why does he look like Charlie Kirk?
So before you serve, you gotta look at the CCTV. If it's weird, don't serve him. You can also night vision.
Oh, not really.
So if everything's normal.
Why do I look like that?
Yeah, you're ugly, I know.
Wait, what did he want again?
Shawarma.
With what?
Just arrows.
Okay. Sauce. Put it on the wash. I don't know how to put it. Hold it. Hold it. I was about to reach quick. Okay, and then add cheese. And then salad.
Really? Right in front of my salad? Okay, I'll stop.
Shut up.
Did you just burp? Okay. Roll the shawarma. You're dumb. Stop. I gotta smack your phone off your head.
Wait. What if I dance with this?
Okay, wait. Let me see.
I'm rolling up the shawarma.
Alright. Okay, here we go. Good, keep it up. Dude, I swear he looks like Charlie Kirk. Dude, why did the first customer look like Charlie Kirk?
What's that noise?
My butt after farting.
Me after eating shawarma from Shawarma Kiosk. Wait, look at me through the CCTV.
Alright. Oh wait, there's a customer.
No, look at the CCTV.
Okay, let me look at the CCTV.
Yo, what would you want, sir? I want some big boot. And you look scary in real life.
Oh, okay. Start level wash. Put the wash on the board. Add sauce. Add cheese. You're doing everything. Okay, wait.
What?
There's something on the meat.
What?
There's something on the meat.
Look at it. Oh, you have to look at it and tap it.
Hi.
supposed to tap you.
It's not fair! Why do all the turtles get to swim in plastic? I want to swim in plastic too! Ah!
Give it to the customer, dump. Is your shawarma still hot? Thanks, now the shadows. The shadows. The hell? What it literally says. Excuse me.
Should you be back, booty back?
You look like a mannequin from those like.
Yeah, you look like a used thumbtack.
Hey. Wait, let me check the CCTV. Wait, let me check the CCTV first.
Don't serve her. When look at me, look at me. Wait, let her pay first. Okay, and after that, if you look at me. If you don't want to serve someone, close their ass out of the.
Duh, you're a skeleton.
Like higher volumes now when you're gonna post a video, it's heard.
Alright, bruh.
Okay, I think that's too high.
What?
You told me.
Anyway. Hey,
Oh,
queen.
see you again. Get.
Oh no, it's normal.
Look at the night vision.
Night vision?
I feel like they replaced the dancing lady with that.
Oh.
I remember that. Okay, anyways. Oh, the dancing lady. Mwah, I love her.
Let me check the CCTV.
Keep your eye on the meat, by the way. I'm scared. I don't like the meat.
Bruh. Dude, I'm getting so freaking paranoid after seeing that ugly thing. Like,
It doesn't even attack you. I'm more scared of the meat.
It was me this movie.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around?